Come on, boys, get the financial freedom, enjoy your life and your day. I love the dream lifestyle, boys. Come on, if we could do it, you can too. Literally. How many beautiful cars do you guys see? Today we are up at 70,000 dirhams, boys, as you guys can see. Alhamdulillah, when you're at this position doing whatever you want at any time, there's no better feeling to it. Hey, if that's not motivating you guys, I don't know what should, because that is the most motivating thing I could look into today. Alhamdulillah. Wow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to a brand new video on the YouTube channel, my people. I hope you're all having an amazing time, inshallah. Just got a text message from our friends and they want to go jet ski, boys, you know. So we are planning on a jet ski trip today. Guys, let me show you guys something really nice, all right? First thing is the fit. What do you guys think? Let me know if that's actually good. That's actually fire. I mean, that's my opinion, but you guys can let me know, of course. I just took a shower, got ready, and we're about to go jet ski, my people, as you guys can see, fully ready and equipped. And I think the fit is nice, although it is a little bit hot, but I feel like we're still gonna be able to, inshallah, take some nice flicks with this fit, and of course, enjoy the day. And look at this, boys. This view right here is worth so much. Allahumma barak. It's actually so beautiful, boys. Oops, they're calling me again. So I think we're gonna go down, boys. We're gonna leave, but I'm not gonna wear my Ray-Bans because they might fall in the water, and the flash, the water flash might get into it. So I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna change it with these running glasses. I feel like they're actually sick, boys. But let me show you guys something really cute, all right? Look at this, right? There's nothing, right? Look at this. Every single time I look into this, it makes me smile, subhanAllah, look. Oh, that's so cute, guys. Allahumma barak. That's my niece, if you guys don't know. And I love her, wallahi, so much, subhanAllah, to the point that she's the cutest girl ever, mashallah. Allahumma barak. So every time I open up my phone or I get a notification and I look into my phone, I'm like, oh my days, that's so cute. We're gonna take water, boys. We're gonna take the key. They were already down. I think they were out. So I'm gonna go catch up with them right now, inshallah. I mean, we do live in Dubai, so we're not gonna close the door. That's pretty much enough for us to be safe and secure here in Dubai, alhamdulillah, which is such a big blessing, guys. You don't get this anywhere else but Dubai. Perhaps, or the countries that I've been to, many of them doesn't offer this. Even Qatar is like this, subhanAllah. Qatar, Saudi Arabia, it's very safe, Allahumma barik. But Dubai, it's like home, So it's a whole different level, boys. And I'm not gonna be a hypocrite and go close the door, stop the video. I'm actually gonna leave it open, just like I said. Alright, my people, it's time to finally go to the jet ski. What time is it, Hamid?
What time? It's this. It's 6:20.
No, what time is it?
It's jet ski time.
Jet ski time, that's what I'm saying. Bro, what the hell, are we stuck?
Let's go time.
Bro, I swear it's so hot. Imagine we were stuck.
There should be an AC.
SubhanAllah. Alright, boys. About to go out. This feels better, bro. Feels way more better. Allah, alhamdulillah. Damn. Bro, these cars never leave me unmesmerized. Every time I look into it, I'm like, damn. Subhanallah.
So you know what they say? They say that if you buy
how many beautiful cars do you guys see? So many, right?
If you buy a car, they're gonna give you a
These cars are literally
free yacht.
No way.
Yeah.
That ass?
It's like buy one, get one free.
What if I buy a yacht? Will they give me the car for free?
No.
No? Damn. No way. Okay, Kane's right after the jet ski. Guys, I didn't know that Kane's is here. What?
Bro, Kane is actually overrated.
Bro, you're stupid. Have you tried it though?
Yeah.
We tried it together, no?
Yeah.
I mean, technically.
Bro, you know what's the whole thing about Cane's is the sauce. Is a thing that they do, the sauce thing.
Yeah, but that's like the secret.
Nah, the bread is actually good, but the chicken is actually so mid.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you think, Ahmed?
I never tried.
Never?
Yeah, no.
Okay, first time. We're gonna make sure Ahmed tries it, and Ahmed loves it, inshallah. We're also on our way to the jet skis, boys. Let's see how the jet skis go.
The jet skis.
Because we're actually
Film that.
with the GoPro. It's gonna be so nice, boys. You guys are gonna love it. And
Can you read this?
yeah, Dar al-Sabun. Why?
No, it's Arab.
Of course.
Come on. That's
Because some people who doesn't understand Arabic, they say sabun.
brother.
Really?
That's perfect.
Boys, before we go on the jet ski, I real quick want to take my time to tell you guys about OmniSend, the best email marketing tool that I have ever used. There is so much money that you guys are leaving on the table because of not using any kind of email marketing tool. And if you guys don't know, if you do e-commerce, info product, anything like that, email marketing is indeed one of the most important things. So if you guys want to take advantage of OmniSend, I will leave the link down in the description. Huge offer, of course, from my side to you guys. And also, I filmed an entire guide on how to use OmniSend. As for the fact that I'm using OmniSend myself, you guys should be using it as well, because it's something that you guys must take advantage of as soon as possible. We're about to jump into the jet skis, but once again, OmniSend saved me so much money, made me so much money, because there's so many people that only gets triggered with email or only does purchases through email. So make sure your email marketing game is very strong and that you guys are not leaving money on the table. Hopefully I'm gonna tell you guys more about it through the end of this video, inshallah. Alright boys, so we're about to get one of these jet skis. So let's jump into the jet ski. Where's the GoPro? With the GoPro, boys, so let's do it, inshallah. Alright my people, it's very exciting because alhamdulillah, when you're at this position doing whatever you want at any time, there's no better feeling to it, alhamdulillah. So it's a blessing that I'm super grateful for, alhamdulillah. And we're gonna inshallah enjoy our time, enjoy our day. Are you ready?
Oh my
No, if the DJ falls, it's done. You know that, right? Because it's so heavy.
Wait. I'm just holding from somewhere like water.
Guys!
Oh shit!
Oh, this is mad.
This is actually crazy, boys. Don't hold me too tight, but it's a video. Like let's be a bit far because it looks a little bit gay.
Go.
But yeah, boys, alhamdulillah, look at this. Careful, bro, yeah? You have to be tight, holding it tight, bro.
Bro, I was just holding it, that's it.
Yo, this is mad, bro. Oh my days.
Boys, we literally made over 50,000 dirhams today, and we're out here having a jet ski in the middle of Dubai. Literally.
There's so many yachts around, you know?
So many yachts around. Alhamdulillah for this blessing, boys. This is what you call financial freedom. And this is exactly what you should be working on, you know? Oh shit. Oh, look at this yacht. Guys, this is probably over like $100 million. Over $100 million, yeah. And we're out here enjoying one jet ski.
Oh my.
Boys, this is what you call the dream life. Alhamdulillah, boys. We're out here in the middle of nowhere. I was standing, bro. Wait, go slow, yeah? There. Look at this, boys. Huh? Don't press it. Just the right one. That's for reverse, dummy. Damn, boys. Careful. Wait. There's another guy having fun. Whoa! Boys, out here enjoying the time of our life, bro. What the hell? Come on. Go left. How you feeling?
Bro, crazy! Take a full ass.
Go right.
Right?
Yeah, you can go to the bridge.
No way.
Yeah. Come on, boys, get the financial freedom, enjoy your life and your day. I love the dream lifestyle, boys. Come on, if we could do it, you can too. Literally, look at this. Allahumma barik. How beautiful is this, bro? Wow.
Man.
Are you ready?
Yeah, fair. Let's go.
Let's
Should
go.
I hold it?
Let me hold it. Damn, look at this. Damn. Guys, we literally have a security guy right over there taking care of us if in case anything goes wrong. This is how safe Dubai is, boys. Record from the right because the lighting is good.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hold tight!
Let's go.
Just if you fall, just hold the camera. That's it.
Okay. Yeah, if I fall, bro, don't make me fall. Guys say go, go, go.
Alright, my people, we just got done with the jet ski. What a beautiful experience, I can't lie. Enjoyed it so much, alhamdulillah. Now we're about to go to the apartment to get ready and come to Raising Cane's. So we have dinner that's still left over that we haven't had. So we're gonna have dinner inshallah very soon and enjoy it, of course. And hopefully have you guys with us together. And yeah, we're so tired. Are you tired, Ahmed?
Yeah.
Wallah, we're so tired, boys. Dead tired. And we're gonna find out what's gonna happen next, inshallah. Boys, we just got home. And look at this. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. Allahumma barik. That is actually crazy, wallah. How beautiful is that, boys? Yo, we were just jet skiing right over here, boys. Going all the way there, subhanallah. And we're back at home. That is actually crazy, boys. Subhanallah. That is one of the best views that I could tell you guys to get motivated. I mean, look. Subhanallah. How beautiful is that? Hey, if that's not motivating you guys, I don't know what should, because that is the most motivating thing I could look into today. Alhamdulillah. Wow. Let me show you guys how much we're up for today while you guys are looking at the view. So many cars are here, mashallah. Alright, my people, for today we are up at 70,000 dirhams, boys, as you guys can see. That is literally right over there. 70,000 dirhams for today with this beautiful view. That is literally the best thing that could have happened. Subhanallah, alhamdulillah. I'm already sweating, boys, but I just can't get tired of the view. Subhanallah, the fact that we have made this much in one singular day, alhamdulillah. So, wow. That is beautiful, guys. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think I'm gonna end it, boys, because we might pray and take a nap and all of that stuff because we're super tired. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope that view once again motivates you to work hard, bro, because wallahi, bro, if this doesn't motivate you, wow, I don't know what will. That motivates me at this position, making 70k in one single day, to work harder, to become a better person, and to do whatever that I can to elevate myself, subhanallah. And you're still now working hard while being broke. Wow. Anyways, boys, if you guys are ready to get started, the first link in the description will guide you through the entire thing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, inshallah, and peace out. Assalamu alaikum.